Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Joanna, and I will be your teacher in English. Now, before we start our lesson, let us first have a spelling. So, can you get your spelling notebooks and your pencil? Okay, very good. So, do you have your spelling notebooks already? Okay, how about your pencil? Okay, very good. So, let's have your spelling. So, everyone, number 1, main. We don't want to live near the main road. Spell the word main. Number 2, plain. The chocolate cake is nicer than the plain cake. Spell the word plain. Number 3, chain. There was a broken link in the chain. Spell the word chain. Number 4, stain. His blood made a dark red stain. Spell the word stain. Number 5, strain. I have been under a lot of strain. Spell the word strain. So the words are number 1, main, number 2, plain, number 3, chain, number 4, stain, and number 5, strain. So time is up, pencils up. Let us check your answers. Okay, so number 1, everyone, main. Spell the word main. M-A-I-N, main. Number 2, plain. Spell the word plain. P-L-A-I-N, plain. Number 3, chain. Spell the word chain. C-H-A-I-N, chain. Number 4, stain. Spell the word stain. S-T-A-I-N, stain. Number 5, strain. Spell the word strain. S-T-R-A-I-N, strain. Okay, so those are the spelling of the words. So, who got perfect? Anyone? Very good. How about 4 points? Okay, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so clap your hands for yourselves. You did great. Okay, so today, let us read these words. Are you ready? Okay, so everyone, wait. Again, let us read. Wait. Number 2, paint. Okay, everyone, let us read. Paint. Number 3, faint. Everyone, let us read. Faint. And then we have waste. Everyone, let us read. Waste. Okay, so the words are wait, paint, faint, and waste. Can you use wait in a sentence? Okay, very good. How much longer do we have to wait? Okay, how about paint? Can you use paint in a sentence? Very good. I like to use different color when I paint. How about faint? Can you use faint in a sentence? Very good. His voice was very faint. How about waste? Can you use waste in a sentence? Very good. My skirt is tight around my waist. Okay, so those are the words. Now I'm going to show you jumbled letters, and then we are going to identify what are these words. Do you understand me? Okay, so here is the first jumbled letters. Okay, T-R-M-E-B-E-L. So what word can we make out of these jumbled letters? Okay, very good. The answer is tremble. Again, everyone, let us read tremble. Now, do you know the meaning of tremble? Okay, so tremble means shake involuntarily. Okay, so what's the meaning of tremble? Shake involuntarily. Okay, so here is the next word, or here's the next jumbled letters. A-N-I-E-X-Y-T. So what's the word? What is the word that we can make out of these jumbled letters? Very good. The answer is anxiety. When we say anxiety, what do you mean by that? What's the meaning of anxiety? Very good. So, anxiety means feeling of worry or nervousness. Okay, so what is anxiety? Feeling of worry or nervousness. Okay? So today, everyone, we are going to talk about denotation. So do you have any idea what is denotation? So what do you want to learn? What is denotation? So we are going to answer that question at the end of this lesson. Okay, so when we say denotation, everyone, the denotation of the word refers to the literal meaning of a word or the dictionary definition of the word. Okay, so that is denotation. Okay, again, what is denotation? Okay, it refers to the literal meaning of a word or the dictionary definition of the word. So if it refers to the literal meaning of the word, what do we call that? Denotation. Or the dictionary definition of the word, what is that? Denotation. Do you understand? Okay, so when we say denotation, a word that refers to the literal meaning of a word or the dictionary definition of the word. Do you understand me? Okay, so here I have examples. So the first one is inhabitants. So inhabitants means, the word inhabitants means residents, occupants, or citizenship. That is inhabitants. If you are going to see the meaning of inhabitants in the dictionary, you will see that inhabitants means residents, occupants, or citizenship. So let us use inhabitants in a sentence. Okay, so flattering inhabitants occupy bird cages at either side of the porch. Okay, so that is inhabitants, meaning resident, occupants, or citizenship. Do you understand? Okay, so I have here another example. Palpitate. Okay, so if we are going to search or if we are going to see the meaning of palpitate in the dictionary, the palpitate word means beat rapidly, strongly, or irregularly. Again, palpitate means beat rapidly, strongly, or regularly. So, if we are going to use palpitate in a sentence, here is an example. It wakened him in the night with a palpitating heart, meaning his heart is beating rapidly, okay, or his heart beats irregularly or strongly. Do you understand me? Okay, so that is palpitate. When we say palpitate, what do we mean by that? Beat rapidly, strongly, or regularly. Do you understand me? Okay, so again, when we I have here another example, everyone. Turbulence. Okay, so what is the word? Turbulence. Okay, so when we say turbulence, the word means violent or unsteady movement of air or water. That is turbulence. Again, what is turbulence? Violent or unsteady movement of air or water. Okay, so if we are going to search for the meaning of turbulence in this dictionary, it will result to violent or unsteady movement of air or water. Okay, so if we are going to use turbulence in a sentence, we will have the plane shuddered as it entered some turbulence. Okay, meaning violent or unsteady movement of air. Do you understand? Okay, so when we say denotation, what do you mean by that? Denotation is the literal meaning of the word or the dictionary meaning of the word. So I have your question, everyone. Let us answer this question. What is denotation? So when we say denotation, it is the literal meaning of the word or the dictionary definition of the word. So when the word is referring to the literal meaning or the dictionary definition of the word, it is called denotation. Do you understand me? Okay, again, what is denotation, everyone, all together? Denotation is a word that refers to the literal meaning of the word or the dictionary definition of the word. Okay, so what did you learn today? Today we have learned about denotation. When we say denotation, this word refers to the literal meaning of the word or the dictionary definition of the word. So when the word refers to the literal meaning or the dictionary definition, it is called denotation. Okay, denotation again is the literal meaning of the word or the dictionary definition of the word. So if you really did understand the lesson, let us proceed to your practice exercise. Okay, so here is your practice exercise. You're going to answer activity D, page 216. That is your practice exercise. And here is your evaluation. You're going to answer activity letter E, page 216. Okay, so again, don't forget to answer your practice exercise and your evaluation because I'm going to check it. Now, here is your assignment. You're going to give me 5 words in the dictionary with its meaning. Again, 5 words in the dictionary with its meaning. Now, don't forget to answer your assignment because I'm going to check it as well. So, thank you for listening. See you on the next video. Bye-bye.